Welcome back. Bottoming out like crazy right now, alright? So, it's another Friday. This will be the third Friday in a row that it gets way down. So, you know, I got insurance. But, it's Friday. We don't have work tomorrow. And it's very raining out. So, instead of actually wasting time, fuel, and other, means to spend money, we are going to take advantage of the wet territory, and we're going to play in the rain. You see, I'm really not not dressed up for the part that you've been expecting, but I just got off work, and we've been anticipating this all week. So we're going to get some FF drifting, just a little bit more for you guys to watch, featuring a Honda Fit. Hey guy that was yelling at us in the parking lot, I was ranting about you not too long ago, maybe like another clip, but yeah, hi, here we are again. Yeah, it is only, as you said, it's only a fucking Honda Fit. That's right, you remember that. It's only a Honda Fit. It's not your GTO. It's not your 240. It's not your Corvette. It's not your Camaro. It's not your Mustang. It's not your Nissan Skyline. It's just a Honda Fit.